Hi friends, I'm Amy from Easy English Academy, and today we're going to learn about tenses. Don't worry, it's super easy and fun. Tenses tell us when something happens: now, before, or later. Let's look at three types: present, past, and future. First, simple present. That means something happens every day or usually. Like this: I play football. Say it with me: I play football. It means I do it often. Now, simple past. This is for something that already happened. Like, I played football yesterday. Can you hear the ed? That tells us it's in the past. Say it: I played football yesterday. Last one, simple future. That means something will happen later. Like this: I will play football tomorrow. We use will to talk about the future. Okay, let's do a quick quiz. If I say, I eat ice cream every day, is that present, past, or future? Yes, present. What about, I ate ice cream yesterday? That's past. Now, I will eat ice cream tomorrow. Yep, future. Great job. You just learned tenses like a pro. Don't forget to smile, practice, and come back for more fun English with me, Amy. Bye-bye.